The print statement. It's the first function most of us ever learn. It's also one of the many ways that we can get a peek into the black box that is a Python program. But what if I told you that this humble function is powerful enough to be a simple logger, build clean CSV files, and even create dynamic status bars in your terminal by only changing a few parameters? All of this is available out of the box. There is a big, wide world beyond the one we say hello to, and in this series, we're going to unlock the hidden power of the print function, and we're going to start right now with the 2 core fundamentals you'll use every single day. So let's break it down. There are really 2 main reasons you'll reach for the print function in your day-to-day scripts. First up, status messages. Think of these as breadcrumbs you leave for yourself. When you run a script, you want to know what it's doing, especially if it takes a while to finish. Here, we're printing a simple message at the start and another one at the end, between some code runs that may or may not cause the interpreter to crash. Let's see what that looks like when the code executes. So we run the script, and there's our first message. After the work is done, we get process complete. It's simple, clear, and incredibly useful for debugging. It may not seem like a big win, but consider this. If something goes wrong and both status messages are showing, we know that this process completed without crashing. If the complete message is missing, we know the process did not complete successfully. Any errors between or outside of these messages will point us in the right direction. This use case alone can save minutes or hours of searching. The second core use case is value inspection. A script is all about working with data, and you constantly need to check what's in those variables. Here we have a variable called sales today. In a real-world app, this variable will be calculated or fetched instead of hard-coded like it is here. We won't know what the value is going to be at any given moment. So to check the variable's current value, we can print the variable directly. Even better, we can combine a message with the variable for more context. By separating the string and a variable with a comma, the print statement is smart enough to handle the rest. When this script runs, our first print statement just gives us the raw number. But that second print statement gives us a much cleaner, more readable message. This is the one you'll use most of the time. Others, including future you, will thank the present you for providing a clear, useful context when they use this value inspection message to debug weeks, months, or even years from now. And that's it. Those are the 2 fundamental jobs of the print statement. Master them and you'll be well on your way. In the next video, I'll show you how to take this to the next level by turning print into a powerful logger just by using one extra hidden argument. It's something I use all the time. If that sounds useful to you, be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss it. And thanks for watching.